If you have an iPhone 8 or newer running on iOS 13 or newer, you can connect 2 sets of AirPods to one device. Start by connecting your own AirPods. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and toggle Bluetooth on. Next, tap your AirPods to connect. Now open an app you want to play audio from. I'll use Spotify. Once you're in Spotify, tap the Devices widget in the bottom left. Then tap AirPlay or Bluetooth. Tap on your AirPods name to connect. You'll know the pairing is successful when you see a white check mark next to the headphones. Note that you might need to do this process a couple times before they connect. Once they're connected, the words Share Audio should appear below the AirPods. Tap Share Audio. Next, take the case from the second pair of AirPods and hold it up to your phone. Make sure both AirPods are in the case while you're doing this. Eventually, the second set of AirPods will appear on your screen, but note that it can take a while and a few tries. Now tap Share Audio again. Hold the button on the back of the second AirPods case to connect to the phone. Once they pair, tap Done. Both AirPods should now be connected. You should see separate volume control sliders under each pair of headphones.